In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send CV resume by email for Job Outlook Gmail. We'll start with Outlook, then do the same process in Gmail so you can use whichever service you prefer with confidence. Begin by visiting outlook.live.com. Once the page loads, switch to the mail view if you're not already there. Click New Mail to open a blank message. In the To field, type the recruiter or hiring manager's email address and double check it for accuracy. A mistyped address is a common reason applications never reach the right person. Next, add a clear, professional subject line such as application for job title, resume, so your email is easy to identify in a busy inbox. Now compose your email. Keep it brief and purposeful. State the role you're applying for, how you found it, one or two relevant strengths, and a polite note that your resume is attached. Aim for a few short sentences rather than a long cover letter. If you have one, you can mention that a full cover letter is available on request or is attached elsewhere, depending on the job's requirements. To attach your resume in Outlook, click Insert, then Attach File, and choose Browse this computer. This ensures you attach a copy of the file rather than a cloud link, which many employers prefer. Select your resume and click Open. Wait until the upload finishes and you can see the file listed under the subject line. A PDF with a clear name like your name resume.pdf is ideal for compatibility and professionalism. When everything looks good, click Send. Now let's do the same in Gmail. Go to gmail.com and click Compose to start a new message. Enter the recipient's email address and a concise subject line that includes the job title. Write a short, tailored message similar to the one you drafted for Outlook, who you are, the position you're seeking, a quick value highlight, and a note that your resume is attached. To add your resume in Gmail, click the paperclip icon to attach files, select your resume, and click Open. Watch for the progress indicator to complete so you know the file is fully uploaded. Review your message one more time for clarity and tone, confirm the correct recipient, and click Send. A few final tips to help you stand out. Keep your resume as a PDF to preserve formatting, use a descriptive file name, and proofread both the subject line and the email body. If a job post specifies a different format or asks you to submit via a portal, follow those instructions first and use email as directed. With these steps, your application will be polished, clear, and ready to land in the right inbox.